Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to use Ctrl E shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. In Microsoft Excel, if you want to combine the data of the two columns, there is no need to use any formula. For example, I combine the first cell AB. Okay, now press the Ctrl E. Excel itself do it automatically. Okay, we can see the next example. I want to extract the A from the column A. Just type A. Now press Ctrl E. Okay, now see the third example. I want to extract the year from this date range. Okay, just enter the year. Now press Ctrl E. Okay, next see the next example. I want to combine this date. Okay, now press Ctrl E. Okay, so next see the one more example. I want to add the email ID. Okay, so just type it ab@gmail.com. Okay, now press Ctrl E. Excel itself do it automatically. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.